Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're liking these videos because I am having a lot of fun recording them. Today I'm gonna show you my Simply Gilded box. This is the December edition of the box. You get it every month as a subscription box, and I don't know why, but I feel like I always get it at the end of all the processing. So you've probably seen this before in other people's channels and other people's stories, but I always try to avoid all the spoilers and get a surprise when it comes home. Talking about surprises, I put a disclaimer. There is a mystery item here. If you don't want to see it, if you don't want to know, don't watch this video. I'm gonna open a box, the item is gonna be here in the middle. If you want to keep it a surprise, just watch it later. But without further ado, I'm gonna start opening the box and I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. So this box is a little bigger than the regular boxes. I think that because this is the last one of the year, this is the December box, and it came with a little journal I've seen in Irene's stories, and that's something that it doesn't usually come with, so I think that's why the box is a little bigger. Let's start opening. I love how it always comes with foil, like the attention to detail in his boxes are amazing. So you get a lot of stuff. The price of the box is going up for next year, so if you're interested in getting this box, you should do it now in December. The box costs, I think it's about $25. I get the add-on washi, which adds, I think, $5. And I know that my total with tax and everything is $37.50 US. So let's start. Every box always comes with a really cute journaling card. I haven't really found a use for it yet because I don't use planners with dashboards, but I'm just collecting. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Every box always comes with a card stating everything that is included, and it always says mystery item, so you don't really know until you open the box. I got my surprise here as soon as I opened because I saw that this wasn't in this card. But this is really exciting, and look how much, like how many things you get in this box. That's a lot of stuff, so I really feel like the price is really good for everything you get. So this is the journal I was telling you about. I saw this on Irene's stories on Instagram, and it's just so cute and so perfect to carry on your purse. When I'm on the go, I don't usually carry my big bullet journal, but I love having a little notebook with me. And this is just perfect. Oh, and it has a bow. I love it. It's perfect to keep it on your purse, carry with you, keep track of appointments, or even if you just want to journal, do it as a daily gratitude. Like, the possibilities are endless. This box always comes with either a notepad or sticky notes, and I love this one. I prefer the notepads because I have more room to write. I love this one, it's so pretty. It came with this bow. Aww. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet because I use a bullet journal, but I'm for sure I'm gonna find a cute place to put it. The stickers are always so amazing. Irene designs it all by herself, and the details, for real, like the details are crazy insane. She is so talented. So here it comes, it's a mini kit, and I love how she changed the layout to have the days of the week twice, because then you can use this in 2 weeks. Because I always have stickers left over. I use a bullet journal, so I don't usually use the full boxes and stuff, but these are just so useful. I love it. It's so cute. And there's a third one, a little deco. How cute is it? And every box always comes with the bow seals. I see a lot of people using this to make tabs for the planners. I haven't done any yet, I'm just hoarding mine, but my goal is to make a few dashboards and tabs that I can use on my bullet journal. Here, the first thing that came out of my box is actually the mystery item. I have not opened this yet, so it's really exciting, like, to see a calendar for 2020. I didn't really have anything in my office right now, so it's just really nice to have a calendar that I can keep here. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Can you see the foil shining? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Yay, I love this. And each edition, I don't know if you know, but every edition of the box comes with a pouch. They're not always leather, but there's always a really cute pouch. And I love this for keeping washi, receipts, stickers. I use all of mine. They're all full of stuff. So you have this cute little pouch. I've been using one of mine to go to the gym. I just put a charger for my headset, my ID, my phone, and my tanning glasses, my tanning goggles, and that's what I've been using to the gym because then I don't have to use the locker, which is pretty nice. Here, let's see the washi. Ooh, the washi this month is so pretty. It came with 5. Yeah, well, it's actually 6 because this one, it's 2 rows, so it's 6 rows of washi, which is a lot, and I love it. Look at the details. Oops. This is so pretty. And if you want to see my Simply Gilded collection, I mean, all my full washi collection, just put it in the comments. I would love to show you. Let me know if you're interested in seeing it or not. And this is the add-on washi, which it doesn't come with a subscription unless you sign up for it separately. I do because I love washi. If you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see that I put washi on freaking everything. My bullet journal has washi everywhere. I use it around the house when I'm putting mail, when I'm, I don't know, just mailing stuff. I use washi on everything. And here is the pretty pen that came with this box. Every box comes with one of these little pens. It's a gel pen. Oh, let me get this out. And the tip is 0.5, which is really thin. I like it. I would prefer to find a refill that is 0.38. If you found one that fits the Simply Gilded pen, let me know in the comments. I'm going crazy trying to find a 0.38 refill that actually fits here. I love these pens. They just feel so nice and luxurious, if you can say it like that. I know it's not an expensive pen, but when you carry something like this in your purse, it's totally different than carrying just a crystal Bic, you know? One of those regular pens you get everywhere. This just feels nice. And this box also came with this Microperm 0.3 from Sakura, which is the pen that you can use to write on the stickers that come with your Simply Gilded subscription. The paper on the stickers, let me get it back. It's really nice. It's super smooth. And I don't really know what kind of paper it is, but it's like, I don't know. If you could feel it, you'd be like, ooh, because it's so smooth. I'm just gonna write something here and let's see. I'm gonna write something here so I can test down the pen on the stickers. Oh, it writes super well. I think this is a permanent pen. Let's see. Yep, it's a permanent pen. So you could use this like on CDs, plastic, anything like that. And it doesn't smear anything. It's really nice. So I hope you liked this unboxing. I don't know, it's my first time doing one. I never done anything like this before. Let me know if you like it, if you want to see more, if you hate it. I mean, just let me know. I hope to see you again here on my channel.